And today I would like to share one of my radio from 1979. It's made by Panasonic. It's an analog radio, super heterodyne, and this is the first model where Panasonic has introduced a band spread system on the shortwave. So it's a single conversion, it's not dual conversion, a single IF conversion radio. It receives very well. So it has a FM, long wave, medium, and 2 shortwave meter band. And shortwave covers from 16, 19, 25, 31, 41 and 49 meter band. And here is the volume control, and this is the tone, bass and treble, sorry, and this is on off. And yeah, you have a LED tuning indicator. That was a cool that time, you know. So we try to listen local station on the long wave. Usually in the long wave and the medium wave there is a ferrite antenna inside, and for the short wave and FM you have the telescope antenna. You need to erect it for the portable use, and also you can use long wire antenna and plug here. This is for the AM, short wave and AM, and this one is for FM. You can use both of them if you use 300 ohm feeder ribbon, and then you'll be able to listen to stations at the great distances. So we see how it performs on the lower frequencies. Long wave.
Me? I'm not one bit scared. I'm grinning while they wriggle all over my boots. Everything's going to be grand. I asked for a sign. St. Patrick delivered. The big lad must have some sense of humour, sending me a ween of snakes. After the snakes, the morning's a blur.
This is BBC.
Blue-haired girl, one finger still glued.
Bravo. 11 roku tej ukarania było jeszcze daleko. Bo węgład wzrastał...
This is Radio Paris. Arabian song. I wonder which radio station. The DX station.
Staying on him. It's nice to see her mother. She's taking a break from campaigning to write up her activist adventures. I await this publication with bated breath. I could see that girl far enough. She almost turned my boy against me. I'm not for letting that happen again. Tonight, I'm bringing Darren back here. We'll get a fish supper and a few cans. We'll sit on the picnic bench, feed up for fear of snakes, and watch the sunset like a pair of old boys. I'll listen to him mope over the girl. I won't point out that there's plenty more fish. It's far too soon for platitudes. I'll tell him how his mum and I used to come to Slemish to talk and walk and be by ourselves. I won't mention the carry-on behind the tree. Some things you just don't talk about. I might tell my son I'm proud of him. I might not be able to get the words out. Still, it'll be good to be together with Slemish watching over us. Today, I almost lost something precious.
Tone is quite
I'll have to
effective.
work hard to hold on to it.
Moving Mountains was written by Jan Carson and the reader, Michael Condren. It was produced by Michael Shannon in Northern Ireland.
New short stories from William Boyd. The world of modern contemporary art is like the Wild West.
This side is only tuning,
About the art world.
and this is a 6-volt power adapter, and this is the earphone or headphone jack. Yeah, mono, not stereo.
Call me a photographer. I'm a lens-based artist.
The state of the art on Radio 4 and BBC Sound. You're a dealer, remember?
Okay, we go to the medium now, medium wave. Let's see. It's a lot of electrical noise in the urban setting, but I'm sure we'll be able to pick some station.
Over MTV Radio. Altijd de meeste muziek. About the news.
Dit is WNC. Ik ben Tamara Bruggemans. Goedenavond. België heeft een nieuwe minister van Justitie. Paul van Sintef van Quickenborne, die vanwege de fouten rondom de aanslag in Brussel afgelopen week is opgestapt. Bij de aanslag kwamen 2 Zweden om het leven.
Question time and bumper postbag pages. We love to reminisce, and nostalgia will never go out of fashion. So, pick up a copy of Best of British, available from all good newsagents and direct from bestofbritishmag.co.uk. Best of British, Britain's top nostalgia monthly.
So, big buy and sell with. Business, good. Governor, or house clearing stock, or an individual wanted to declutter, or just bag a great.
Had on it for 18 years, 16, and all the way back to 2005 when we were also in the US. Alice, it's such a different atmosphere this time around.
Yeah, it is. It's electric out there. It's hot. The crowd, they just bring that energy, don't they? You know, every time a car goes past, they're up on their feet, they're screaming, they're shouting. So the atmosphere is electric, it's buzzing, and it's nice that we have got a different mix, as you touched on, Julian, here at the front of the grid.
That was the voice of Alice Powell, and also me, Jolyon Palmer, Rosanna Tennant in the pits. They're already halfway through this formation lap. Leclerc's gone round fairly quickly on the medium tyres, as everyone on the grid is, Rosanna.
Absolutely. Medium tyres and hard tyres, surely the order of the day. We've got a
Because of the internal antenna, I have to find the right position where I can receive a maximum signal. Farad antenna works like that.
Lando Norris is coming up to the grid now, right on the back of Charles Leclerc. Usually you leave a little bit of a gap, don't you? But he's followed him right on to the grid. I think Lando...
And really feel they are really playing.
Celtic boss Brendan Rodgers says his team's 4-1 Scottish Premiership win against Hearts was outstanding. Chelsea have maintained their unbeaten start to the WSL season with a 4-2 win against Brighton. India have ended New Zealand's 100% record at the Cricket World Cup. The host won by 4 wickets. Meanwhile, England bowler Reece Topley has been ruled out, so the rest of the competition with a broken finger. And Harlequins have picked up their first Rugby Union Premiership win of the season with a hard-fought victory 22-14 at the Stoop.
On DAB Digital Radio and 1089 and 1053 AM, the final word on TalkSport.
Yes, the final word on TalkSport this Sunday evening through till 9. Alan Pardew, former Premier League manager, alongside me, Adrian Durham. I'm in for DJ Majestic for 1 week only. King Kev, Madge will be back next week. You missing him?
Well, always like, you know, Madge is always good company. He's always got a story or two. You know.
Momentos pendientes de las fuertes precipitaciones en todo el país, especialmente junto con el aire en la comunidad andaluza, que deja varias carreteras afectadas de la red viaria principal de entrada a Sevilla por la P4 en las Cabezas de San Juan y por la 92 en Palmete y Trujillo y diferentes de la red secundaria, también en...
Я приїхав в Київ з метою навчання, поступити туди в Київський християнський університет. В принципі, в мене було не таке велике коло знайомих з Києва. Було декілька дівчат, з якими знайомилися завдяки Сергію Сологубу на фестивалі Житомирської області.
They are speaking Russian. So I hope it's not Moscow. Maybe it's Radio Moscow or Radio Kiev. Spain.
Теракт движения ХАМАС против Израиля и военный ответ страны в секторе Газа заставляет нас обратиться к повтору программы 2006 года под названием «Русские и евреи. Мифы об
The world champions were in the same group. Set that time. Yeah. How harsh is that? They talk about the lopsided draw in the rugby union.
Perhaps, I don't know, anyone who's sort of under 50.
Excellent radio, receiving excellent radio stations, quite distance. So this video I intended to make only to receive the low frequencies like long wave and medium wave, and I made another video which covers the short wave reception and the FM, because otherwise one video will be very long and perhaps boring for some people. I hope you guys like this blast from the past. Panasonic RF-788L shortwave radio world receiver from 1979. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, or if you wanted to see some other specific radio from the past, please let me know in the comment. I try to acquire it and make a video for you. Thank you.